For nearly 2 decades, organizations have struggled with one fundamental challenge: keeping their most sensitive data secure on every stage of its journey. Legacy tools miss the mark. They rely on pattern matching and keywords to discover data, generating endless false positives. Without accurate discovery, everything downstream fails: classification, access controls, and DLP policies. And when that data moves externally, with partners, vendors, customers, security and compliance risk multiply exponentially. What if you could solve the entire equation? Concentric AI's semantic intelligence platform uses context-aware AI that actually understands your data. It autonomously discovers, classifies, monitors, and remediates data across your cloud and on-prem environments, delivering exceptionally accurate insights into data risks. Now, add Kiteworks, which ensures that Microsoft Information Protection Classification labels applied by Semantic Intelligence translate into real protection when data leaves your organization. With end-to-end encryption, attribute-based access controls, role-based access controls, dynamic watermarking, possessionless editing, automated expiration, complete audit trails, and more that meet the strictest regulatory requirements. Secure data exchange, precise control, and real visibility into all your data. Concentric AI and Kiteworks. End-to-end data security governance and automated enforcement, driving real-world protection from discovery to delivery. Discover more by visiting kiteworks.com or concentric.ai. If it's private, kite it.